to come in waves across the shore. Oh, maybe you could fly my kite, babe. Maybe you could fly my kite, babe. I can hear your laughter come in waves across the shore. Oh, maybe you could fly my kite, babe. Maybe you could fly my kite, babe. We could be together, you're the one I'm looking for. Oh, maybe you could fly my... The reflection of my face, so wouldn't even recognize or who put me in this place. I wouldn't even recognize time has been so cruel. I couldn't blame me, but I blame you. I do.
I just assumed I'd play the part of keeping you in the right direction. No matter how your confidence may fall, I'll be here as your foundation. And I say, hey, yo, just let it go. Your struggles won't remain. And I say, hey, yo, we're holding hope and wake up.
Okay, babe.
Hier machen sie leckere Pommes, die extra in Amsterdam hergestellt werden, produziert werden. Und die Schlange ist so lang. Holländischen Pommes schmecken richtig gut. Wir sind jetzt gerade an einem wunderschönen Ort. Schaut euch mal diese geile Aussicht an. Traumhaft. Und da waren es nur noch zwei. Ich bin mit meiner Cousine alleine. Wir sind alleine. Und weil die anderen sind heute schon wieder abgefahren. Und deswegen haben wir gesagt, wir kommen jetzt mal ein bisschen spazieren und schauen uns diese wunderschöne Aussicht an.
A song. Yeah. I just sit and reflect on every single thing that went wrong. My best friend, he turned out to be a fake, the real definition of becoming a snake. And I lost my girl too, and that was my mistake. I put music above her, and it took her place. And she's the one I love, and my heart it just breaks because now I'm alone. There's no girl to replace me. I tried every day, but it's always a waste. Ever since she's left, nothing's ever been the same. Lately, it feels like I just been wildin' out. There's too many things that I'm finding now, and my passion has been slowly dying out. And I'm still inside of a hole, and I'm climbing out. Just a stumble over, but down trying now. Lost my composure, so I ride it out. I'm feeling depressed, and I'm hiding out. I think that's why I'm crying out.
The reflection of my face, so wouldn't even recognize or who put me in this place. I wouldn't even recognize time has been so cruel. I couldn't blame me, but I blame you. I do.
I guess I'm to blame. Can't lie. lie to me. Walk in the room and they start eyeing me. Feeling overwhelmed with my anxiety, so I stay to myself and I overthink quality. I stare in the mirror and vent there alone. You say you been there when I'm on my own. You say you be there when I know you won't. And you say you love me when I know you don't. I swear this depression isn't a motherfucking joke. Anxiety too, I deal with them both. I've been losing my faith and my hope. Still haven't found a way I could cope. Yeah, I think loving myself is of everything that I need most. Cause I lost everyone else that I thought I would always keep close. And I think I gave you all that I can. You took advantage of me and ran. I made you who you are, now I ask, why would you flip on me? I don't understand. Told myself never again.
Despacito, Dedicatina KFCito.
Are you looking down upon me? Are you proud of who I am? Mistakes, there's nothing I wouldn't do to hear your voice again. Sometimes I